That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support. As you can see, I picked up a few tools to make things easier. When you start detailing multiple vehicles a day, pump sprayers is a must. For me, it definitely saves my hands. Super Clean is one of my go-to degreasers. I enjoy using this product because of its many uses. When I'm out of my favorite bug and tar, Super Clean is what I use. But remember, Super Clean is not designed to be used on paint. If you directly apply to paint, begin to agitate almost immediately. Make sure the surface is cool and do not apply in direct sunlight. When it comes to paint, I've been doing this for a while, and I haven't had any issues when I agitate immediately. But be sure to follow the dilution ratios on the back of the bottle. I love using this product on tires, fender wells, wheel wells, and most of the time I spray it on and just spray off, and for the most part everything comes clean. But for better results, please agitate. Before using, be sure to test in an inconspicuous area. Also, play around with the dilution ratios. This product can do a lot. Okay, let's change the subject for a minute. It's business, never personal. At times, there can be a fine line between business and personal. In this business of ours, lawn care, over detailing, we start to service the same people over and over. And in time, you can really get to know some of those customers. They really get to know you. I've actually watched their children grow up. I gotta be honest, those type of customers get special treatment from me because they have been with me since day one. And it's easy to get comfortable, but always remain professional. Remember, this relationship is based on the services that I provide for them. I never forget that. If it wasn't for the services I provide, I wouldn't be here. We probably would have never have crossed paths. No matter how personal it may seem, always remain professional. Life is real, and real things happen to real people. If you just started in this business, I want to let you know that some of your customers will stop calling. Some would actually tell you your services are no longer needed. Others may relocate out of state. Please, don't take it personal. Sometimes this will happen with no explanation or warning, but it's cool. Keep pushing. There are other potential customers out there that are looking for your services, so make sure you can be found. I may be naive on this, but I want to book every potential customer that inquires about my services. To be honest, that will never happen. Some will say yes, others will say no. Please, don't take the no's personal. Don't dwell in the no's either. Focus on the yeses and make the best out of the situation. Stay tuned, more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Shots out to the new wave. Peace.
Click right here to subscribe and watch these 2 great videos right here. Like a man.